Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today, back at VVS Finance. If you've been keeping track, I have about $1,000 in here, and I'm down to about 110. So I've lost about 90%. So yeah, that's not the goody part even. So stay tuned. There's more, but wait, there's more. All right. VVS could be on the rebound. Depends what happened to Bitcoin. So first of all, let's go take a look at the farm. There is some account maintenance I need to take care of here. Now, we all know we have some Crow VVS staked for VVS, okay? We're getting roughly 100%. Pretty good, pretty good. But if you guys have this farm and it's been deactivated, you can't find it, take care. It's under the finish tab. So yes, it's still there. But I was debating, do I really want to harvest this? Do I really want to spend the cash to get the money back? Well, if I unstake, it's going to cost, let's see, I have $1.96 locked up here. Now, when I originally staked it, it was like 25-ish. Go back and watch the video. But I'm going to unstake the max liquid LP, and I'm going to say confirm. Now, let's see what the charge fee is here. Oh, 2.5 Crow. Well, Crow is currently at about 11 cents. So it's going to cost about a quarter to get my dollar something back. That's great. Because starting with over $25 and getting $1, $2 back, not optimal. But at least it went through the first time. So at least that's good, right guys? So it looks like the network is not congested today because nobody wants to deal with this garbage anymore because it has lost so much value. So you can see here, I don't have anything left. So hopefully it unstaked everything. I collected everything. And I'm over here. And it looks like I'm still gaining interest. That's good anyway. Let's go back to the dashboard if we can. Alright, and we can still see we have some stuff. And we're going to go over now to the mines. The mines of Moria. Okay, it's not that cool. It's just the glitter mine. Alright. For those of you who don't know, Lord of the Rings reference. Pretty cool. If you haven't seen the movie, go check it out. Alright, there's no finished things here. But this IGO mine should be closing soon. Let's take a look. Now, I've got about $6 worth of rewards. Still $42 staked, so that's good. And this is going to end in about 3 days, 7 hours. So, we'll see what happens. Hopefully this is going to work out good for us. So be sure to subscribe and see how this turns out in another 3-4 days. When the mine closes, I'll come back and harvest it up and see what happens. In the meantime, over here on the dashboard, we want to go to XVVS. Now, at XVVS, we have some stuff staked. Alright. And we're going to see the vault. In the vault, we have a 6-month stake, and we have a 4-year stake. Now, this has gone down significantly as well, unfortunately. But, you know, as with this crypto, this VVS is a token that there's trillions and trillions coming onto the market due to interest being paid and whatnot. Go watch my other videos if you want more of a background on that and read the white paper. So, not much hope there, but going forward, hopefully this IGO will be able to recoup maybe some of the cost, if any. So be sure to you guys subscribe, and we're gonna stay tuned for the next IGO. Has not been announced yet, last I checked, but I do believe they're going to offer more IGOs here at VVS Finance, and hopefully, yes, the Fiero. I did not participate in this one. If you guys watch my video on the Fiero, it was a pretty good video. Go check that one out. It was a pretty fun video. I was comparing the token to the car from back in the day, if you guys were around then. It was pretty hilarious. But anyway, Fiero not doing that great on the open market, just to let you guys know. But if you guys are tracking it, you let me know in the comments below. But we'll take a look at the next IGO they have available and see if it's worth our time. Anyway, guys, that's my VVS Finance update. If you want to hear more about crypto and making money, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.